Hey, Jayden. Say hi.
Hi.
You got lots of smile on your face.
Uh,
Look out here. What's going on? Say there's a blizzard. Say there's a blizzard out there.
There's a blizzard out there. I say hi.
Alright, let's see Dave.
We have a coordinated effort here at MSD Emergency Operations Center, and we're coordinating dialysis.
And like we had some of the county executives call in their crews, I think it was Frederick and Carol. Have you had to do that yet? Your crews?
I didn't get the question.
Sure, the county
They
executives
say you.
do their crews for the time being because the conditions were so bad. Do you?
So my battery's dead. I don't think
Big Lots, the real deal.
What are you looking at?
What look at?
What's out there? What's out there?
Lizard?
Blizzard.
Lizard out there.
Doesn't it feel great to volunteer? Free ticket to Disney doesn't hurt either.
This year, give a day of service to a participating organization.
The car?
Parks are free. Visit DisneyParks.com for details.
My skin is oily.
Mine's dry.
My skin is oily.
Mine's dry. I get acne here.
I get it everywhere.
If people are all unique, why do most acne systems treat us all the same? This one doesn't. Neutrogena Skin ID.
Talk to the camera.
Neutrogena
Hi.
is the only person.
Say hi, camera.
Hi, camera.
What's your name?
What's your name, camera?
What's your name?
What's my name?
The Skin ID evaluation asks similar questions to the ones
I want to say hi, camera.
kind of acne, skin sensitivity.
Stress level and more. The Skin ID system will choose what you
What's
want
that?
for your skin.
That's you.
Studies,
And
Skin
the
ID
car.
is twice as fast as Proactive. 100% should
And
clear your skin.
the car.
No, the car's out there buried in snow.
That works like it does. Skin ID works better for you. It's made for you.
It's unique. I speak.
Like me, like me.
Get your 60-day Skin ID 3-product regimen for
Are you?
plus choose your free
Are
travel bag.
you?
Plus order in the next 15 minutes to get a free spot treatment.
Are you?
Neutrogena Skin ID.
I climbed, yeah, up on the sofa.
We all agreed that we were going to come to Little Rock and support little Josie.
Okay.
We really wanted this time
Look, my car's completely buried.
Whatever it takes. This family's sticking
They
together.
could be buried.
Yeah, Dave's shoveling again.
It's just kind of like a roller coaster ride. I look forward to the day that I get to hold her.
It's fast doing it. It's fast. What's a blizzard name?
What's the blizzard's name? Blizzard.
What's a blizzard name?
Hello? What's up? Say good morning, Jayden.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What are you drinking?
Soda.
Soda.
I don't think so.
Say, I survived the blizzard of 2010.
I thought a lizard of
2010, wow.
Is that ice?
Ice, yeah. Whoa, look at all that ice.
Should have talked about my cup.
But look at that ice. It's like a death trap outside. Do you see it?
Stab you. Oh, shooting it. Trying to break it down.
You're shooting it.
Yeah, we're gonna do it again. It's fun.
I'll document. Drew, huh? Like we really need a cooler. don't think you're getting it.
I'm definitely hitting it.
I can't see from...
Give it a minute. I'm hitting the same spot. Oh, man. I'm gonna reload it.
Jayden, how do you spell your name? How do you spell your name?
What? And the camera?
Spell your name for the camera.
Jayden.
Good job.
That's how you spell my name, Jayden.
Loading your gun?
Huh?
Are you loading your gun?
Uh-huh.
So cars are allowed on the road again?
Uh-huh.
That looks like Final Destination shit right there. They standing underneath the icicle. Jayden.
Hitting it every time. Oh, no,
Say hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
Jayden.
And are you gonna read? How do you spell your name?
Jayden.
How do you spell it?
Jayden.
What's the rest of it?
Da.
You goofball. Here, look at your cards. Take your cards and show the camera what they say.
What does it say? I look at the camera.
What's that say? Show the camera.
Gorilla.
Good job. Give me it. And show me another one.
What does that say? Me.
Me, but what's your name?
Jayden.
Good job.
What's that one?
Yeah, get another one. What's it say?
Say.
Look at it. Tell us what it says.
Tiger.
No.
Cat.
Cat. Good job. Give me it.
What's that called?
What's it say, Jayden?
Tiger.
Oh, come on. Stop playing. You knew him all 5 minutes ago. What? Look at the word, Jayden.
Elephant.
Yes. Are you distracted by yourself on the camera?
What's that called? Is this mine?
What's that card say? Look, show me the card.
I'm sitting on the sofa.
Yeah, you're looking at yourself on the camera, but what's this card say? See it? What's that say?
Me.
Huh?
Me.
No, what's the card? Show me the card.
This
Yeah, what's it say?
card.
What's it say?
Card. That is your card.
But what's it say?
Card.
What's the word on the card?
This.
That word, yep.
What's that called? car.
Alright, goofball. Where's the rest of them?
Here.
Alright. What's this one say?
Hi.
Hi. You're right. It does say hi. See? Hi. What's the next one say?
What's that say?
What about this one?
Dave.
Yup. Dave. What
Uncle
about...
Dave.
What's this one say?
Let's save.
What's this card say?
It
What's it say?
what didn't do it.
Here.
Hold this to do it.
Hold what?
To this to do it, the cards. I hold this to do it with the cards.
The camera?
Uh-huh. And stickers.
You're so easily distracted. You had them all good in the kitchen. What happened? You forgot them all that quick?
Mm,
Here. Are you sick of it?
Uh-huh.
Alright. Can you sing me a song?
J A Y E E S. That's I spell Jayden.
You're silly.
I'm laying down. I'm laying down.
Can you sing me another song? How about, can you sing me Take Me Out to the Ball Game?
Take me out, Baba, Jay, buy me some peanut and cracker jacks. I don't care if I ever get back to it. What's this? A stick.
It's root for the...
For ball game. 4 X 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10
That's a lot of strikes that they get. Sounds like a never-ending baseball game.
I want to look at the stickers. I look at the stickers with it. Sticker. Yeah. Stick on. And look how you the picture.
Thanks. Okay.
Look at it on a picture.
I see it. How old are you, Jayden?
Jayden?
How old are you?
What?
How old are you?
10.
You're 10. Holy crap.
1.
How old?
10.
How old are you? How many fingers are you?
1.
No.
2.
Yeah. You're 2, remember?
I'm 2. What's this one? Look at it on your other one. You look at it on your other one.
On my other hand?
Huh?
Thanks.
Look at this on you.
I can see it through the little hole I'm looking through. You can see it on the screen.
I get those really, I'm gonna get that. I which one of you? It's okay. I need to, okay. Look! Trash. Trash. The hallway. What?
Alright, you want to say bye-bye?
Bye-bye. Look at the picture of this.
Take a picture of that.
Mhm.
Alright, say bye-bye, camera.
Look at this. This.
I see it.
Trash.
Alright, we gotta clean up your mess. Say bye.
Bye.
Mwah. Kiss right here.
Yeah.